How do I buy Bitcoin on Cash App? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch Cash App over here. And once you launch Cash App, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here. Now, to buy Bitcoin, you come to the home tab here. Then you tap on Bitcoin. Then you'll find the option called buy Bitcoin. So you tap on buy Bitcoin. You can enter the dollars worth or maybe a certain custom dollars. Let's say you want to buy $250 worth of Bitcoin. You select $250. Now, if you haven't verified your phone number, it will ask you to verify the phone number. And after that, you have to verify also your legal details, because if you have not verified your identity on Cash App, you will not be able to buy Bitcoin, by the way. So just make sure you have verified your account and so on. Once you do that, enter the payment method to buy Bitcoin. This way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.